How to hide Instagram chat without deleting it. Okay, first off, this tutorial will be using Android, but you can always use any device that Instagram mobile application is available to. And before we start this tutorial, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First off, just open your Instagram application, and then from there, choose the DM or the message button on the top right. For example, I will send message to my other test account here. Test. Okay, and then from there I will switch to my other account. Okay, and now as you can see that I received the message from my other test account, and to actually hide it, all I have to do is to go back, choose the profile screen, choose the top right button, the 3 lines button, choose settings, and from the settings screen just choose account, scroll to the bottom and then choose switch to professional account. Okay, click continue. On the next screen you will be presented with an option to choose the description of you. So for example, I will choose this one. Choose whichever one that you wanted to use. So for example, I will choose creator. And you can skip all the rest if you want. Go back to your home screen. Now that you have switched to the professional account, go to the DM. If everything is correct, you should have general listed on your message screen. And to actually hide all your messages, all you have to do is just to press and hold the message that you wanted to hide. The context menu will appear, and all you have to do is just to choose move to general. Okay, and now you can check on your general tab that your message is listed there. You will no longer receive any notification or anything from your general tab. And that's pretty much how you hide your Instagram messages without deleting it. Find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit that subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, also do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers! I hope it helps. Until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.